Are you tired of scrubbing away at rust and paint? What about those furniture pieces that have intricate details that are so time-consuming to hand sand? Well, look no further, the LEMATEC Sandblaster Gun Kit. This versatile tool is perfect for removing rust, paint, and other stubborn debris from metal, wood, and even glass surfaces. With the ability to work to up to 150 psi pressure, this multimedia blaster can handle aluminum oxide, sand, walnut shells, and even soda blasting jobs with ease. This kit came with eye protection, 2 ceramic tip nozzles, and a female inlet. I attached mine to a 1/4 inch PVC hose and a 6-gallon air compressor. I have personally used sand, soda, and glass with this sandblaster, and all 3 have worked incredibly on my vintage Rattan chairs. Not only is it effective, but it's also incredibly easy to use. There's an adjustable control over the air pressure and media flow. You can fine-tune the blasting process for optimal results. Plus, the ergonomic design of this sandblaster ensures a comfortable grip during extended use. Some tips: always make sure that you're wearing eye protection and a hat. The media likes to go upwards sometimes, which can run the risk of getting in your eye, so wear a hat as well. Also, I suggest a continuous air compressor if available. Mine was not continuous, so it got a bit tedious when it came to refilling the air every few minutes, but nonetheless, it still worked. Overall, I love this sandblaster. It's super powerful and really takes away the frustration of removing rust and paint by hand. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this tool is sure to be a valuable addition to your toolkit.